Welcome to the NEC SV9100 UC Suite training. In this training, we will discuss the layout of the UC Suite, go over call handling, which includes placing internal and external calls, putting calls on hold, transferring, and conferencing. We will also discuss personal options for your UC client, go over call forwarding, and instant messaging. We will start by going over the physical features of the UC client. Your presence shows whether or not you are able to take calls. If you click the dial icon, it brings up a box that lets you dial out. Click Answer to answer an incoming call. To place a call on hold, click the hold icon. While on a call, click the transfer icon to transfer a call. To end a call, click the hang up icon. While on a call, click Conference to add a third party in. If this feature is enabled, click Record to record a call. To page, click the page icon and select the zone. While on a call, click Park to place a call on system-wide hold. Click Unpark to retrieve a parked call. To force the system into a different mode, select Night. Click Redial to dial the number that you last called. To intercom someone, click the Ring Voice icon. When you have an incoming call, you can click the redirect icon and send that call to another person. To forward your calls, click the forward icon and select where you would like the calls to go. Click the voicemail icon to call your mailbox. To silence your phone, click Do Not Disturb. To set a display message on your screen, click Display Message. Click the IM icon to send an instant message to another user. If you need to send a quick note to a coworker, select Quick Message. This differs from Instant Message because Instant Message is a conversation, whereas Quick Message is just one message and a response. To send a message that appears on someone else's phone screen, select Phone Message and select which message you would like to send. This will appear on the other user's screen on their phone. The directory shows you who is available, who is on the phone, and who is busy. Using the toolbar, you can change preferences and setup. Here is an alternate view of the UC Suite. It is called the toolbar view. Please note that it is almost identical to the expanded view, except that you do not see the directory. To get to the directory, click on File and select Directory. As you can see below, I have two separate colors. Green means you are available, and yellow means that you are on the phone. To place an internal or external call, click the dial icon. Dial the extension or number, and then click Start, or press Enter on your keyboard to connect the call. Here is what an active call looks like. To answer an incoming call, click Answer or double-click the call bubble. When additional calls are received, click Answer or double-click the new call. The system will automatically put the first call on hold. By double-clicking the call that is held, it will swap out which call is on hold and which is live. To end a call in the UC Suite, click the Hang Up icon. To place a call on hold, while on a call, press the Hold icon. To retrieve a held call, double-click the call bubble. Press the redial icon to automatically call the last number that you dialed. Putting a call on Park means placing it on a system-wide hold. To do this, while on a call, press the Park icon. Choose the Park location, 01 through 64, and click Start. To retrieve a parked call, press the Park Retrieve icon. Enter the park location 01 through 64 and click Start. To transfer a call, while on a call, press the transfer icon. Dial an extension or number. For a consult transfer, click Start, wait for an answer, and announce the call. Click Complete to complete the transfer. For a blind transfer, do the first two steps you would with a consult transfer. When you get to the third, click Blind to complete the transfer. To start a three-way conference call, while on a call, press the conference icon. Dial an extension or number, and click Start to call the third party. Click Complete to connect all calls. Here is a view of an active conference call. To forward your calls, click the Forward icon. Select Set Call Forward. Choose which calls to forward. Enter the extension or number you would like to forward the calls to, and click Start. Click on the voicemail icon and it will call your voicemail box. To page, press the Page icon. Choose the zones you would like to page. The phone will beep twice, and then you can start talking. To record a call, while on a call, click the Record icon. To stop recording, click the Record icon again. This feature has to be enabled by your system administrator. Recordings are saved in your voicemail box. To manually override the schedule, click the Night icon. Choose the mode you would like to go into. Enter the password and click Start. If you want to intercom a coworker, call an extension and press the Ring Voice icon. The phone will beep and you are connected through the intercom. To redirect a call means to forward it to someone else without answering it. When a call is ringing your phone, click the redirect icon and type in the extension or number where you would like to send the call. To put your phone in Do Not Disturb, click the Do Not Disturb icon. Select Set Do Not Disturb and choose who the Do Not Disturb applies to. Then click Set. To take yourself out of the Do Not Disturb mode, select the Do Not Disturb icon and click Cancel Do Not Disturb. To display a message on your phone, click the Display Message icon. Choose the message, enter the time, and click Set. To send an instant message to another user, click the Instant Message icon. Choose a participant and click Start. Once you click Start, a text box opens. Once you type in a message, press Enter to send the message. A quick message differs from an instant message because in instant message you can have a full conversation, whereas a quick message is just that, a quick message and a quick reply. To send a quick message, click the Quick Message icon. Enter an extension, choose a message, and click Send. The message will pop up on the recipient's screen. They can either send a quick response or type a response and click Send. You can also send a message so it will appear on a recipient's phone screen. To send a message through the phone, click the Phone Message icon. Type in the extension you would like to send the message to. Choose one of the messages and click Send. Your presence lets people know if you are in the office, out of the office, or in a meeting. To change your presence, click on the drop-down by your picture and extension. Select the appropriate choice. Enter in the information requested and click OK. This will change the color next to your name to show that you are unavailable. To change preferences for the UC suite, click on Tools and select Preferences. Within the General tab, here are some of the things that you can make changes to: pop-up control, email integration, audio preferences, confirming exit, quick message settings, and photos. In the BLF/DSS tab, you can change the visible group tabs, which affects your directory, label format, directory name display, and appearance. Another useful tab is the Tool Buttons tab. In this tab, you can change the available tool buttons, the order of the tool buttons, and the size of the buttons themselves. Congratulations! You have finished the NEC SV9100 UC Suite training. If you have any further questions, please contact your system administrator.